What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
NEWLINK on the attack now. Where them a go do ya now? Yeah, people, blessings, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know. So they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So, viewers and subscribers, right about now, we're going to talk about a thing that took place over in a St. Catherine and a Portmore, people. And it's where two persons was cut down on Thursday evening, people. And right now, I'm going to tell the viewers and subscribers, it seems like, say, the real focus at Jamaica right now, it's all about COVID, and them stop focus that much on crime. You understand? Because right now, they bag talk this and that, people, but a lot of people get cut down in Jamaica. And because them things don't even go out there, because when I get to find out, people, it seems like them even hide them stuff, yeah. You know what I mean? The bag killing and something like them hide it from the news media and thing. But deep inside, viewers and subscribers, just sees and he knows everything what go on in the yard. Well, people, now I tell you, I'm going to talk about this double murder. So, I have this article here now, just to explain, you know what I mean, based on where them say what go on, people, and then you don't know NEWLINK, they follow up part on them thing. You see it? So, I'm just going to read through this thing. Man and woman shot dead in Waterford, St. Catherine. The police have launched a manhunt for armed men who shot and killed a man and a woman at a shop in Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine on Thursday evening. The deceased have been identified as 24-year-old Keshan Thomas alias Raheem of Point City Away, Brayton, and 39-year-old Zanisha Mackenzie, a vendor of London Avenue, Passage Fort, both in Portmore, St. Catherine. Reports are that at about 7:20 p.m., Thomas and Mackenzie were at a shop when they were pounced upon by two armed men. The men opened gunfire, hitting Thomas and Mackenzie several times before fleeing the scene. The police were summoned and the wounded persons were taken to a hospital where they were both pronounced dead. So, viewers and subscribers, right? Them said this happened at Waterford, but when NEWLINK do some checks and things, people, you get me? I said, them said this thing took place in a Passage Fort, not Waterford. You get me? So, the residents them at Waterford, I say, yo, listen, every time things happen over there, so I want to see a Waterford and a Waterford, it happen at Passage Fort. Yeah. So, me put the correction there, so now. So, viewers and subscribers, on a real level, no joke thing, right? Two persons that are shot themselves, a female and a woman, two armed men pounce up, hitting the two of them several times, then fleeing the scene on foot. Yo, me can't tell the people, a them something I go on a yard now. A beer hit a launch out, you get what me I say? And them killing you is like information just a give out. You get me? Yo, the two of them they are saying, a phone call are working, the two of them they are saying, yo, because you can't come deal with it now, come smash them up now. You understand, people? So, in the end, viewers and subscribers, when we had do some check now, the real head where them say them want this right now was the youth. You know what I mean? Was not the female. So basically, them say the youth is a youth where in a film look at things and mix up and bang around people. And as so comes forth now, you understand, him do get himself in entanglement with some other man from, you get me I say, and you lead up to them things yeah, when me always I say, yo, sometime you know, people may not in a problem with people, but you see the persons them who you associate with or you have a relationship with or even your family member do in a things and you don't even know certain things where I go and say, you know, so them some man around there so and bust out him head and slap out him head and you did so hang out with him a bill and a wall of vibes and even know so listen man at your last moment that is it. That's why I say sometimes you have to just know your surroundings you keep. You get me? If sometimes you can't do a fully check upon your surroundings and you say nobody go too close to the surroundings there. Meaning people, if you don't know how to study people too much or know too much about a person, don't to hang out with that person. You understand? Well in the end people, the youth, young boy, not true. The woman, big woman, not true. And see the two of them lose them life you know. Which is a sad one because in the end people, it's not nice to see how people losing their life. But as me I say, people do I get themselves in a things people. You see enough of them young youth of them now listen. And that's a big problem. Them now listen and them to be wiser and them need to be more smarter. You get me? Because you can't expect, you know. So yo, you go come so boom and I do things You know what I mean? Say you're this, say you're top man, you're bad man, you're this and you're that people. And then in the end, what go happen to you? You have to really be careful. Zine, you have to really be careful. And while me can't save viewers and subscribers, it thing hot a yard. It hot. You get me? And bleeding back to the first part where me that's the people. The focus mainly right now is on COVID. Zine, and the focus on crime is way lesser right now, which is a big problem, and it's affecting a lot of people right now. Because if me tell you this, viewers and subscribers, sometimes some story reach out to me, you know. Zine, and when me come to boom, I do some checks and around the place, people. No news outlets, no paper, Jamaica now cover them thing. Everything silent. Zine, yeah. So it seemed like them pick and choose what to talk about, what to put out there. You get me? Because it seemed like some people that is nothing. But that's for me, NEWLINK people, every life matter Jamaica. Every life. I could have the madman in the street. You get me? It's just because of reasons being people at times being, you know what I mean, covering so much story. It's not easy. And at times being to people, you don't know, say people, we do need with time and them thing there. You don't know, say we do have feelings too, and when we feel certain vibes, people will decide, say, no, NEWLINK, we have to just take a couple of days and maybe get ourselves fresh and relaxing and sort out ourselves. You know what I mean, people? But the killing thing I had, yo, John was star. It up there. It up there, and all the people are gonna say, yo, a COVID that kill people, man now shoot people again, gun boy them here, say now that go on now. Yeah. Let them telling this man and check, you know, be careful in the street because the street are run hot same way. Zine, the street maybe even run hotter than how it used to run before. Because remember me tell people, before, you know, the killing them mostly are going in the night, in the early morning, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock a year, so do a kick off. Now a broad daylight. Zine, broad daylight. Anywhere you're there, in the town, in the shop, on the beach, we should not for the on the beach now. Anywhere you're there. Zine, that's how it run right now. So all we can tell them and them saying, listen, you have put yourself in a problem and mix up with people and do make your head get wanted by other men out there. Wish police and security forces now watch your head back 24/7. Dog, I'm going to have your supper because you know listen, you know learn. Kind of man feel so them want to be bad man, them want to be this man and them want to be that man. But listen, me taught this already over and over, NEWLINK. Tell them again. You are the bad man, Zine. You feel you are the bad man. There's a bad man out there for you. And you see for them are two man who then say come and punch up and kill the man and the woman. For them time I go come to, you know. Yes, for them time I go come to. I saw it go because you feel like you're a killer and you're a shooter. Your time I go come to, you are going to get slapped out to, your head are going to get bust out to. You understand? You're not going to reign forever. You're not going to go around and kill the next 1,000 million people. No, your time I go come to, you're not going to be forever. You get me? So, every man must know how them are plant them seed, people. Every man must know how them are going to reap them crap. Zine, you have to know what you want. You know what I mean? You start it this, and you must know it are going to end up. Because once you mix up this, dog, name a supper. And that NEWLINK I got tell you. And a straight attack for the man them who are grown and I kill people for nothing at all. Straight attack because killing should be the answer. Because Jamaica have the security forces who have to deal with things. Zine. But in the end, people, as I tell you, man take the thing different. And it's not just Jamaica alone, you know. The place hot enough people around the globe hot enough. Around the globe hot enough. The tar hot enough. Man, ram for bust the head. So, yo, know what you want. That's all a NEWLINK can say. So you don't know the thing going on, viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK Production, people. And we say attack, you know. And if you don't subscribe, people, please do subscribe now. And remember to hit that bell notification icon and tap on all. So as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them, man. Peace out and respect. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter, NEWLINK_production official. And remember, people, you want to support the channel. We also have a PayPal link in the description. You can just click on that link, yeah, and just give us support. You don't know, people? Well, appreciate it. Big up, man, and we say attack, and the attack now stop. There forever. Peace out.